In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an already installed game to Steam step by step so you can launch it from your Steam library just like any other game. This is really useful if you have games from Epic Games, Ubisoft, GOG, or even standalone .exe games and you want everything in one place. You can also use Steam's overlay and controller settings, which makes the experience a lot smoother. If this video helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple gaming tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Steam on your PC and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Once Steam is open, look at the top left of the window and click on the Games menu. This is where Steam keeps the option for adding games that are not already part of your Steam library. From the drop-down menu, click Add a non-Steam game to My Library. Steam will now scan your computer and show you a list of installed programs and games it can detect. If you see the game you want in the list, simply click the checkbox next to it to select it. If the game does not appear in the list, don't worry, because you can add it manually. Just click the Browse button, then locate the folder where the game is installed on your computer. Usually you'll want to find the game's .exe file, which is the main executable that launches the game. Once you find the correct file, select it and click Open. After that, go back and click Add Selected Programs. Steam will then add the game shortcut to your library. Now, if you open your library, you should see the game listed there alongside your other Steam games. You can rename it if needed, set a custom icon, and even organize it however you want. One important thing to remember is that while Steam will launch the game and let you use features like the Steam overlay and controller support, it will not manage updates for non-Steam games. So if the game needs patching, you'll still need to update it through the original launcher or the game's own updater. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can bring all your favorite games into Steam and keep everything in one convenient place. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another quick gaming tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.